I'm good. What's going on? Rashad here, guys, and I actually brought my family out to Tennessee for the week. Need a haircut very bad, like it's going crazy, super crazy. Y'all tour of the house. It's lit. Got the game room down here. So it's like a little movie theater / game room. It's a bedroom in here. And we got like a bathroom, washer and dryer and stuff. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at him. He's talking to Baylor. Yeah. His girlfriend broke up with him, so he's sad. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all the rest of the house. We're going to be here for about a week and a half. We got another bedroom. Another bedroom. And we got the living room, the kitchen. Now I'm gonna take y'all up to the game room. Oh yeah. Yeah. Bro, you suck, bro. Bro, you suck. Bro, you suck.
Hey, I don't care.
A little game room vibes. They playing a game.
I beat him the first time, so I don't care.
Man,
Why
you
you
suck.
talking about the pad?
You
Let's
suck.
do this.
Oh, then we got Ray Ray. Hey, Ray. She know, y'all. Y'all know how she is. Then we got another little bathroom. You know, she take forever doing her hair. Like, girl, come on, gotta go. Just wanted to get the family out for a little bit. 4 bedrooms, no 5. I'm trying to get my camera. working, but Ray Ray don't wanna help me get my camera working.
What you do to it?
I ain't do nothing. It was just working.
Clearly you did something.
There ain't nothing wrong with it.
How it feel to be around?
Yeah.
No,
Stop. Yeah.
How you stepping?
You go see your Mario. Huh?
How you stepping?
Man is terrible. He doesn't like
I want to
me.
get though.
Bro, you cheated.
How?
No, he cheated. He cheated.
Come on now.
He got his brother helping
I'm
him.
first.
Don't believe that.
First, always.
Yo.
Man,
Cheater.
we going up.
Cheater.
It's gonna be it.
And then you got the back. Yeah, that's lit. Stuck inside your love cycle. It's crazy. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be posting all week. I'm gonna drop 3 videos while we here. We're gonna be lit. I just wanted to give y'all a home tour to see how we living for the next week and a half. Me and my fam. We got the fam here. About to be lit.
used to be that
Lit for the whole weekend, man. Yeah, y'all can't see her yet. Riley. I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos this week while we here. 3 videos dropping all week. It's gonna be lit.
Always do
Get in.
Go play.
I get $1,000. You get in right now.
You're supposed to check on your
Come on, get in.
How supposed to check in? You don't even want to talk.
Damn, you looking thick. You looking thick right there.
He-
You looking thick.
No, he don't want. He don't never want to come places.
Man, you know the vibes, man. You know the vibes. Oh, you say you 4PF?
Huh?
You talking about, bro? This man, he talking about.
Popiep chain, man.
Man, he walking around talking about he's selling Obama runs. Boy, who is you? You little baby, big homie or what?
I told him to go to California. He said,
I ain't believe it. So.
We in California.
No, we're not.
He said, He said, Gettysburg, California. Ugly ass boy, I'm about to join your ugly ass boy.
Oh, to see.
oh yeah, they put it down.
Put me on the camera. Is it good? It's good? Good? What's wrong with Brethren? Why y'all always so mad? No, this B-roll.
Then when y'all do it,
Pictures. Oh, my bad. I might was talking to you. What you said?
you lame.
How lame? Y'all know. Go Marion. Go Marion.